humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi guys, I got an unboxing and I got stuff from Bath and Body Works today. So let's open her up and see what I got. This is Bath and Body Works. Got a coupon and the order sheet and stuff that I bought. All I got was 3 shower gels, and the first one is Sweet Pea. I really like this one. And the next one I got is Mad About You. First time trying this one. And my last one is strawberry pound cake. So that is that one. Let's see if I can open it so I can smell it. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. I have to try that soon. Strawberry pound cake. Really liked, and that's all I got from Bath and Body Works this time. I hope you guys liked the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And thumbs up the video. Thanks guys. Bye.